Are you tired of using your phone, going around the congregation, snapping pictures that you can post on your church social media handle? Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually take quality pictures using the vMix software. Okay, so if this sounds interesting to you and you love videos like this, hit that red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first people YouTube will notify whenever I drop new videos here on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, kudos to you. Thank you for all the love. Remember to smash the like button so the YouTube algorithm can also recommend this video to other people on the YouTube community who would want to be part of our little family here on this channel. And in this particular video I'm going to show you how to take quality pictures using your vMix software. Now, you're not using any third-party software. Note, everything you're going to be doing is with your vMix software. Now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that done. This is actually a quick one. Now, once you've opened your vMix, brought in your cameras or your webcam or whichever one you want to use, you started your live broadcast, and you also want to take pictures at the same time, this is the button to use here. See the button below there? This is the button. If you look, the camera sign on vMix, most people ignore this because they don't really know what it's used for. See the camera sign below by the bottom left there, by the bottom right, sorry. See by the bottom right, you see the camera sign there. This bottom right camera sign is used to take pictures on the vMix software. You can use it to snap your output on vMix. Now, whatever thing that is on your output, even if it's the man of God, just time him and give him a nice shot, you know, give him a nice shot, and you can save it on your system. You can save it on document. Let me just save that. I just save that on document, and let me show you. Go over to document here, and you see the pictures that you've taken, or wherever the folder that you save the pictures on, and you can see these are the pictures that I just took right now. You can see how nice they're looking. Though I'm not a professional photographer, they are bad, do I know, but you can see how it is. So it's actually nice. You can use this to snap multiple pictures. Just give the person that is preaching or the congregation or wherever the camera is on that moment a nice shot, and it will make a lot more sense. You don't even need to pause your video to snap the picture. Just time it, you know, the same way you use your phone to position it. Make sure it's in position and give it a nice shot. Okay, so and let's see if I get this one right. On document, let's see. Yeah, I tried. Wow, this one is nice. So whatever thing that is on your output, you can actually snap that. Okay, so be it the man of God, the choir, the congregation, the single shot, double shot, close shot, whichever one that is there, you can actually snap that using vMix. And at the end of the day, it will save it. It is HD pictures. Okay, they're HD clean pictures. So you don't need to worry about anything. It's even better than the camera that you're using, most of the cameras, you know. But it is a full HD pictures it will give you. Just make sure they are in position and take a good picture of them, and you can post and use this picture for your anything, your promo. Put them on your social media handle or anything, anywhere you want it to be on. And this is how to take pictures using your vMix software. If you love this video or found it interesting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first people YouTube will notify that a new video has been posted on this channel.